So here is the app called UPLENS Photo and Video Editor, filters face touch-up blur. So pretty cool new AI photo editor which you can use. It's in top charts. Is the ultimate mobile photo and video editor powered by AI and designed to help you take perfect selfies and create stunning visuals in just a few taps. With our advanced retouching tools and a full range of professional grade editing features, UPLENS gives you everything you need to make your photos and videos look their best. Use the magic AI retouch function to get flawless skin and natural color correction. Our vintage presets give you visuals a unique nostalgic vibe, and with our easy-to-use editing tools, you can customize each preset to create your own signature style. In addition to our powerful retouching tools, video editing feature, and vintage presents, UPLENS also offers a full suite of professional-grade editing tools. So that's basically the idea. Film-inspired presets, vintage film frames, natural AI retouch, dreamy glow aesthetic effects, texture overlays. So really cool, interesting app that you can just try to use. Let's see the options here. So there is a yearly plan for $35, or there is like a monthly plan in here for $6. So that's basically the idea. I don't think yet free trial not available on monthly, and then you only have 2 edits, free edits per day, which is quite a lot for a free plan. So let's just check it out. So if I have this photo and then I just have it here, let's see what it can do. So here is some preset, and then I can, all right, so some of these templates require subscription in here. So if you want to create this cool preset, then you just have that. But then yeah, if you want to do retouch, you just do that. You can also do like magic AI retouch. And then as you can see, this is previous. It's not like a big difference, to be honest. So here is previous, here is this one. I mean, all right. And then filters, then you can just apply a lot of different filters in here. Then you can just save them, and this kind of stuff, that what you can do. And then you can just apply this kind of old school effects. So something like that, which you can then just apply. And then yeah, so then you just have something like this in here. And then yeah, you can just export it, and then you have a lot of different templates, carousels, which you can use for Instagram and things like that. And then you just have all the photos, and then you have settings. So yep, that's the app. Super easy to use. Actually, I like the overview, and unfortunately you need to upgrade to have this additional YB templates from 90s. So that's basically what it is.